Guys, stop subscribing, it makes me giggle too much. Should I start making animal noises? Oh wait, yeah, it's like pigs, cows, horses, donkeys, chickens. Probably more than that, but I forgot the others. Oink oink, moo neigh, honk cluck cluck. How's that? What does the fox say? Although I'm not sure. If I had to guess, the fox probably says something like, I love evil probably more than any other animal. Just a guess though. I feel as if my chat doesn't love me, even though I go out of my way turning my humans into lovely chat pets. Maybe I should start turning them into hot pockets instead. Hot pocket. Eating. Chat. Sounds good